So Maria Tobin, summary of the works done in the out in the at the heat pump. So firstly, this pump was blown. You can see it was seized firstly, and probably got seized because that capacitor had blown and stopped the pump running, and it just seized over time. So I had a second-hand one. It's a Wilo Topis 3010. Like that on that. Okay, so that's replaced and now running, and we're running a hot water test. Also on the hot side, we checked the filter, and the filter is had small amounts of dirt on it, nothing major. But that's now cleaned. Turn that handle and open this to do that. We checked the expansion vessel. This is the hot side expansion vessel, and that expansion vessel, which is a 35 litre at the moment, 24 will probably do, is at 0.1 bar and does need to be compressed or replaced. Compressed would do for now, but I don't have a compressor today, so that's the two things on the hot side. On the collector side, I've taken a sample of the collector fluid, and its antifreeze level is at -5, which is just adequate. It should be between -5 and -15, but that will be fine. I've also checked the filter, and the filter on the cold side was squeaky clean, nothing at all wrong with that. And on the expansion vessel for the collector, it's 0.4 bar. That also needs to be compressed, but I don't have a compressor for that either. I've checked the filler valve on the collector side. This is the filler valve on the collector side, and that needs to be, or that has been filled up, and I've now turned this off. To turn it on, you put it in line with the pipe, and this is off too, and it's at 1.5 bar, and that's all working. And the filler valve for the hot side is here. Similar mechanism. We have a screw top there, and the valve at the bottom, and then this adjuster at the top, and that's now at just under 2 bar. Now I've replaced the pump, but there's a little difficulty with these valves. I would ideally need to replace these two pump valves, but I don't have them. And there's a slight drip leak on that, and the more I play with it, the more it drips. It's impossible to seal it. That's characteristic of those things when you go at them, and so you just touch it and it leaks. I'll try and fix that later. But there's a problem there, and that we're going to need to, because of these leaks, prime this hot side in time, and it's further complicated now by the fact that the hinges, so those hinges will need to be replaced. That's it. I've changed several settings to make the heat pump run more efficiently, and that's it. On the outside, I'm presently doing a hot water test. Okay.